In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook featured photos not appearing. If your Facebook featured photos aren't showing up as they should, don't worry, I've got you covered. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to check photo privacy settings. Navigate to your photo privacy settings on Facebook. Make sure your featured photos are visible to the public or the desired audience. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your Facebook featured photos appear as they intended to be. Second thing that you'll need to do would be to clear cache data. If the photos still doesn't show up, try clearing the cache data for the Facebook app. Reinstall the app and check your featured photos again. And the last thing that you can do would be to edit featured photos. Go to your profile and tap edit featured, delete and re-add photos you want to feature, refresh your profile page to see if they appear. Remember, glitches happen, but with these steps, you'll have a Facebook profile that showcases your best moments flawlessly. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe.